making crawfish etouffee and fried catfish. If you don't know what that is, it's basically a Louisiana based recipe. It's like a thick stew. You can make shrimp etouffee, crawfish, however, and you basically just serve it over rice. So many flavors. It's real good. Like, oh my god, it's so good. With my parents being from Louisiana, this is something we eat all the time and it's great. Today I'm making it at home and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. I really want to start doing more cooking videos on my channel. Please subscribe and go watch my other videos and all that extra stuff, but I just had to put that in there. So I'm starting out with 2 sticks of butter. What they call the Holy Trinity is green and red bell pepper, green onion, and celery. I just cut it up. And my choice of drink today is this Cali Red by Snoop. If you don't know, now you know. This will get you right, for sure. I'm just gonna put these sticks of butter in this pan and saute these vegetables. I'm gonna let this cook down for about 20 minutes. Let everything get, you know, together. While this is cooking, I went ahead and put my catfish fillets in some lemon juice with some Old Bay. I went ahead and put my dry batter in this bag. It's basically just flour, a little bit of this fish fry, Louisiana fish fry. I put a little bit of salt, pepper, some Old Bay, and some paprika in here, and I just shook it all up just to kind of like keep everything organized and together. So I have this sitting in here and I put it in the fridge, so when it's time I'm going to make my wet batter for my dry batter and then I'm gonna fry them. So yeah. So it's been 20 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of minced garlic and just stir that in there. So now I'm gonna try and separate most of the vegetables from the butter as much as I can before I add my flour in. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of flour to create the base for the roux. I'm also gonna add a little bit of Tony's. Can't go wrong with Tony. I'm just gonna stir this up separately. I'm actually gonna add 1 more tablespoon of flour. So that's 3 tablespoons of flour I just added into this. And I'm gonna mix it all together. So once the flour is mixed in together, I'm gonna mix it with everything else. I have a pound of crawfish tails. I'm gonna just go ahead and throw that in here. I have about 2 cups of hot water. I'm gonna gradually add it and let this simmer for another 20 minutes. While this is simmering, I'm gonna start my rice. I'm covering it. I don't know, I'm just covering it. So I'm using basmati rice. If that's how you say it, it said naturally fragrant rice, so thought it was gonna have some flavor to it. I'm just gonna follow these instructions on the back and cook this rice, so by the time it's done, this will be done. I have my oil here. I'm about to heat this up for my catfish. So now I'm prepping the wet part of my batter. I have 2 eggs, a little bit of seasoning. I put onion powder, garlic powder, and I think like salt and pepper. I also have like a tablespoon, about 2 tablespoons of mayo. And I'm gonna add a little bit of Dijon mustard. And just mix that all together. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna dip my fish in this before I dip it in the dry batter to kind of help it coat it and give it a nice like crust. This is how my etouffee is looking. It's basically done. My rice is cooking. So now I'm going to fry my fish. Be on the lookout for more cooking videos. I'm gonna try and post more frequently. I just love cooking, I really do, and I want to share all my recipes with y'all. So give this video a thumbs up if you've tried the recipe, and comment down below, let me know how it was, or you could just comment and tell me your favorite color. I will still read it and reply to it. So yeah, just stay subscribed, keep subscribing, and yeah, all that good stuff.